Somebody commented on one of my videos and said that the hair products I use are too expensive. And you know what? They're actually right, because not everybody can afford to spend $15 on a hair gel. So in my next few videos, I'm going to be testing out super affordable products for your wash and go. So let's go. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, my name is Desiree, but I go by the Motley Girl on social media. First up, we have the Mocha de Gorilla Snot Gel and Punk Beast Hold. Guys, it's under $4. And first impression, it has like a light fruity smell to it. I feel like already based off the consistency, I feel like I'm going to get some good results. You guys know the routine. Hair is freshly washed, deep conditioned. I'll put everything down below in the description. I feel like it's nice and sticky. Yeah, I definitely feel like I'm going to get really good definition. The hold meter, it says it's like their next to last level. So it seems to be, a pretty super strong hold, but we gonna see. I've also seen people with natural hair use this gel, but I've seen them use it for like slicking down their edges and slick backs, but we're gonna see if it works for wash and go. Applying the product all throughout the head. And you guys know on the sides, I just rake and smooth. I'm also going to switch over to using my Disco Smoothing Comb. If you guys haven't checked out that video, I'll put that right here for you. My hair is also starting to dry up, so I'm going to start to wet it down some. You wet the hair some, and then get to work. And now I just go in and start to apply it directly to the hair after I've, already worked some of the product in. So I feel like I'm getting good curl definition. Not really sure yet. Let's look at the back. I'm going to use my little smoothing brush. I told you guys in my last video that I'm trying to grow my hair out a bit just so I can get it braided. I don't think I'm going to make it, y'all. It's way too long. I'm itching to cut it all off. But I'm going to try to hold out for a bit. I need to hold out for 2 more months. It's going to be a struggle, but we gonna see. So I'm just applying it to the other side. I already can tell it's going to be good to slick my edges down because of the consistency. Yeah, like it's really like slimy. But I can tell it's thick. Like it's like maybe like a glue-like, tacky-like consistency almost. Let's see. I love those little shots for you guys. You see like the little boing. So I work small section by section. Right? And now that it's getting so long on the sides, I'm probably actually going to be able to start doing like finger coils on the sides too. So we'll see how that goes. That's why I said, I don't know if I'm going to make it. So just smoothing the product through. So I'm just finger coiling. I'll show you guys the back. Eventually, I'm going to switch over to, when I do go off camera, to my 3-way mirror to, make sure the back is nice and neat or whatever. All right, so let's move on to the front, which you guys know is like my struggle area, because that's how I really determine, whether or not a product really works for my hair, is if it can define these loose curls up front. Oh, the fact that I feel like I need to put on goggles to put my, because all this water is running in my face. How crazy would that be though if I actually put on some goggles, some swim goggles, just to style my hair? I think that's pretty funny. All right, so I'm going back in with the disco brush, and they don't even have this on their website anymore. I'm not sure what happened, but y'all, somebody told me they saw it at Dollar Tree. So I've been checking Dollar Trees, but I haven't been able to find it at a Dollar Tree. But yesterday I was in my local beauty supply store, and lo and behold, there it was for like $2. Not even, I think it was like $1.50. So if you can't find it at Dollar Tree, check out your local beauty supply store. All right, so just finger coiling. I wonder how it's going to dry though. It's going to be hard and crunchy. I also made sure I used a super, moisturizing gel underneath. And a lot of you guys are saying, like, when you're trying some hair product gels, that it leaves your hair hard and crunchy. The key is, guys, you have to use a moisturizing leave-in conditioner, because some gels, they do cause drying and they do dry your hair out. That's why you need to use a super, super hydrating, leave-in conditioner, and a super, super hydrating, deep conditioner or mask or whatever. Products that I've been using lately have all been giving me like amazing, amazing shine. But you guys know, over shine, I'll take hold any day. You guys know I prefer, a strong hard hold gel because, again, I'm a lazy natural girly. I ain't got time to be sitting here redoing my hair 2 and 3, 4 times a week. Listen, if you have the kind of time and the patience for that, kudos to you. I don't. Even when my hair was long, I refused. I'm doing it once a week, and that's it. It's gonna last. But I'm gonna keep styling, and then I will come back and show you the finished results. So I'm back, and I feel like my hair looks super shiny, right? It looks super defined. I actually did decide to do a side part because I just didn't like the way my curls were falling. So we're gonna see what it looks like. Actually slick down my edges very nicely. And we're gonna see what it looks like when it dries. Because the stylist once told me that what your hair looks like wet when you do a wash and go should be the same way that it looks when it's dry. So let's see what it looks like dry. So did the $3.50 gel check all boxes? Well, first, I feel like I've got good definition, I've got good shine, and I've got a pretty decent hold. But what surprised me the most was the hold. I actually thought it was going to be like a super strong hold, like, the B-Girl from the Do, or Go Bananas from the Do. So from 1 to 10, I probably say the hold is like a 7. But like I said, I've got really good curl definition. So I'll give you guys a close-up. And then I'll let you take a look at the back also. Now, I do feel like this gel has the potential to be a little bit drying, but that's why I said in the beginning, I used a super, super hydrating, creamy, moisturizing leave-in conditioner underneath. So remember to like this video. Also, comment down below and let me know what's the most affordable product that you use for your wash and go. And of course, turn on your notifications because guess what? You don't want to miss any videos. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.